This is the DJI MIC MINI in all its glory. Be doing an unboxing, see what is it about, and as you can tell from the specs, the microphone size itself is about 10 gram, high quality audio with stable transmission, 40-hour operation with case, direct connection for premium sound quality, 2-level active noise cancelling, this should be interesting, automatic limiting to prevent audio clipping. There are a lot of variants of this mic, and this one I got is the full set. It has one receiver, transmitter, 2 of them, charging case, carrying pouch, clip magnet, documents, USB-C charging cable to USB-C, camera audio cable for cameras, windscreen, 4 of them, mobile adapter. So this mobile adapter, I assume it's actually it's a Type-C, but I needed to get this one because my iPhone is still using the Lightning port. Here it says made for iPhone. Yeah, I mean one of the devices, but it's actually made for PCs as well, anything that has a mic input and output. Let's get it unboxed. Remove this plastic. I believe this is the carrying pouch. And boy, that's quality plastic. Take it out. I like this carrying pouch. It's really nice. It's very compact. Can easily fit in any backpack and so on. Now the moment of truth. Go this way. Let's open it. We have the windscreen. I think this is the audio cable with the USB cable for any camera. And this is the case. Do we have anything else here? Nah, nothing. I love the bag. It's really good. The bag is really good. Okay, let's look at this case. Okay, so we open from here. Okay, let's get out. Let's put it here first. And now, as you can see, the case is fairly small. I mean, it's not that huge, neither that small. It's somewhere in between. This is the USB-C to charge the case. I assume this one is for the battery level on the case itself. Now the moment of truth. Said press and then open, and oh my god, look at that. You have a couple of instructions inside. No, it says on and off, noise reduction, pairing mode. Okay, first of all, this is the receiver where you will connect to your phone directly or your laptop using the adapter. This is one of the mics. It's so small, like really small. This is the magnet where you can just take it out. It has a good resistance though. And now you can attach this mic pretty much everywhere. Like, let's say if I want to attach it to this box, so I can just put it here and put the magnet here, and it sticks. Look, the magnets are fairly strong though. Yeah, it's quite strong. Still here, doesn't move as much. This is the other mic, comes with it. So you have 2 microphones in total in the full set. And this is the USB-C adapter where you're gonna connect this receiver to. So let's try take it out. Ooh, it has a little bit of resistance. Okay, it's out. The way to attach this USB-C adapter to the receiver is by pulling this out, this piece, and you can just take this, look at the pins, and try to match them together. So it's already even given you an indicator. You're gonna go this way and push it all the way to the end. And there you go. Now it's ready to pair, ready to connect to any of your USB-C devices. But since I'm using an iPhone with Lightning yet, so maybe this is the perfect time to unbox this as well. So let's take this. And it's the Lightning port. Same concept, 2 pins, match them together with the 4 and insert it. And the best thing about this is I don't need to sacrifice the USB-C adapter here. There is actually one compartment here that is empty, so you can just take this out and slide the Lightning port to here. And that's it. Okay. Very good quality though. The case, the mics itself, we're gonna put them through the test. Now, let's see this cable. Okay, so now you have USB-A to USB-C. I believe this is for charging. And you have this audio jack where if you do have a camera, point and shoot or DSLR, you can connect this to your camera and connect this to the receiver. I forgot to show you this, which has also a headphone jack. You can just connect to it and connect to the camera. Now let's look at windscreen. There are 4 of them. Ooh, 2 in black and 2 in, is this gray or what? These looks nice actually. Let's try put one first, like this black. I think it goes from this side, yeah. Yep, they're completely attached. Best thing about it is when you attach these both, if you put them back in the case, like here, the case still closes completely. So you don't need to carry an extra or like the pouch with it to carry the windscreen or whatever. It just fits all together. And you can as well put this cable or even the charging cable. You can put it somewhere here in the screen, but since I don't need these 2, so I'm just gonna leave it this way. Let's do some testing. Okay, the sound you're hearing now is coming directly from my iPhone. I'm not using the mic yet. I can hear my AC is working and there's a lot of sound going on in the background. Cars, I'm living near a highway. So this is how it sounds like directly from my phone. But if I do attach the microphone, so the sound now is coming directly from the microphone. I connected the transmitter to my iPhone straight away. Let me know what you guys think. Does it sound better? Is it still the same? By the way, this is the standard mode of the microphone. If I press the power button here once, it activates noise cancellation. So if I do this, now supposedly there is an active noise cancellation, so I don't know if it makes a difference. This is how it sounds. Let me know what you guys think. I can hear the fridge just started working again, so I don't know if the mic picked that up. I also want to do like other experiments as well. Give me a minute. Let's see. I have a guitar here. The idea is, since I have 2 mics, I can give one to the other person who sings, and I can just keep one and play the guitar as well, and it will record stereo type of sound. Basma, Reem, wink wink. So maybe we can try do something like I try with singing maybe. If I ever were to lose you, I I'd surely lose myself. I don't know how it sounds like. I know I'm gonna regret this when I edit this video. Since this is a gaming channel and it's all about games and so on, what does it have to do with this microphone? Well, to me, the simple argument is one less cable. So in the future, when I stream and so on, I don't need to worry about where the microphone should be, and if people can hear me, I can just attach this and talk without having to worry about where do I sit and things like that. This microphone by itself, if it's fully charged, it can give you up to 12 hours. 12 hours. I don't think I'm streaming for 12 hours. Remember about the one less cable thing I told you? It's not just, you know, sitting really far and talk and the microphone is gonna pick it up. No, it goes really, really far. As a matter of fact, let me show you. Now I can just put it right here. Oops, my slipper. Yeah, I know, I'm wearing socks with slippers. I'm walking. I don't know if the sound still picks it up. And if I keep just on walking and talking like, yo, what's up, neighbor? The neighbors think I am crazy, but I'm not. So I just keep on walking. Let's see until the very edge. And let's sprint a little. And right here, I'm at the very edge. I don't know if the sound is still here in the phone itself, but this is something I will figure out when I edit the video. Let's see if the audio is picked up. Now I can just go back, talk to a friend, whatever, and the sound's still going on, I hope. I mean, this is what they advertise it for. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Is the sound quality good? Or is it just a meh? Let me know.